complete information regarding the expected cutoff for Thapar University up to the last round this year. Now if we talk about for COE, that is branch for general 70, let's continue. That is for board marks cutoff. It is 5. And this is Amit and your my channel information and educational video. The round 1 of Thapar University based on JS4 is already done, and round 2 registration will be starting from 17th of May. So here I am with the rank and marks versus all branch. That is rank versus branch for JS score and marks versus branch for board score. As you also know, there is two type of admission mode, mode 1 and mode 2. So I will provide you the complete information here. So please try to listen my word very carefully so that you will be getting the complete information. This type of video you will not find on YouTube. It takes lots of time and effort. So please try to watch up to the last so that you will have the complete information. And on the screen, whatever number has been provided, try to read it carefully, then try to contact me. Otherwise, not possible to solve your simple doubt. For that, you can ask in the comment section. So here I will provide you category wise information. It is quite difficult to provide because it takes lots of time and effort. So please try to support this channel as well. So now if we talk about for COE, that is branch for general 70,000 and 1.3 lakh, that is for other state and Punjab. Punjab and outside Punjab, two type of cutoff is there for board marks cutoff as well and for JEE rank cutoff as well. So for general 70,000 and 1.3 lakh, that is for outside Punjab and Punjab. For SC 4.5 lakh and 5.5 lakh. And ST 6 lakh. BC, there is only Punjab category reservation, Punjab region reservation. Outside Punjab, there is no BC category reservation. So 4.5 lakh for that. For COBS, that is computer science business system, 45 and 65,000. For general, that is home state and other state. It is outside Punjab and Punjab. After slash, it is for Punjab. Now if you talk about for SC 2.5 and 5 lakh, ST 5 lakh and BC 1.7 lakh, that is for only Punjab. For ST and SC, there is only one type of cutoff, that is same cutoff for Punjab student. For outside Punjab, it is different for SC, ST. That's why I provided you the information here. For ST, if you are from Punjab, you can check the cutoff, that is for COE and COBS as well. For COPEC, that is computer science Patiala campus, 26 and 35,000 for outside and Punjab student. For SC 1.5, 3.5 lakh and for BC 1.2 lakh. I am talking about CRL JEE mains rank, that is CRL rank, common rank list. COSE, so here is the information, that is 65 and 1.4 lakh, that is Dera Basai campus. And for SC 2.5 and 5 lakh, for BC 2.5 lakh. For EC 1.1 and 2.5 lakh for general, that is outside Punjab and Punjab. For SC 5 lakh, BC 5 lakh again. EEC 1 lakh and 2 lakh, that is for the general category outside Punjab and Punjab. Here I would like to inform you some important thing on the screen. You can check the detailed cutoff of round 1 of JEE counseling this year, and the cutoff has been decreased a lot. That is, it is easier for the student to get the seat this time as compared to previous year. For previous year also, you can check on the screen. That is the cutoff. There is a huge change in the cutoff because of the board marks criteria. This year the board marks criteria is there. In earlier year, there was no board examination, particularly if they take the board examination for CBSE, they provided maximum marks to the students. So students have got good result, even they haven't done the preparation for board, they have prepared for JEE only, so they got the better result. But this time, if a student have got better result, they have not get the good result in boards. So vice versa also done. That's why the cutoff is going lower, because if a student is getting good result in JEE, they are not having good result in board. So if they are having both, the type of a student are very less. So that's why the cutoff is going low. Also for board marks, that will happen. I will discuss now, that is after this slide. Now if you talk about for ENC 90,000 and 1.7 lakh, that is for outside Punjab and Punjab. For SC 4.1 lakh, BC 2 lakh. Now if you talk about for biomedical 2 lakh and 5 lakh, and for SC you can check sidewise. For biotechnology 2 and 5 lakh again. Chemical 1.5 3 lakh. CIE, it is 1.5 and 3 lakh. And what are the full form of this short form of the branch name, you can check on the screen as I am providing you the detail about that. And for ELE 1.2 and 2.5 lakh, mechatronics 1.2 and 2.5 lakh, mechanical 1.5 and 3 lakh. Other data you can check sidewise for SC and BC as well. So better counseling is very important, as I have provided you the number on the screen. So I would like to inform you about my complete guidance program, whatever I will provide you. So in the next section of the video, kindly check the detail about my complete guidance, whatever I will try to provide you once you register with my guidance. It is 1-to-1 complete guidance until you get into the college. Not only for Thapar University, but for other entrance exam, other counseling also. Whatever you will do across India, JOSA, Manipal, BITSAT, BIT, COMEDK, all type of counseling, I will be guiding you so that you will get the best out of your result. So if you want, you can contact me for that. Here I will introduce about my complete counseling guidance and mentorship that I am doing from last 5 years. Over 5,000 students already guided by me for all type of college across India. There is NIT, Triple IT, GFI, top private college like BITSAT, VIT, AEEE, Comet K, Manipal, SRM, LPU, MST colleges counseling, as well as Jack Delhi, Jack Chandigarh, every type of counseling I've already done. You will get personalized choice filling order for each type of counseling, but no matter how many counseling will do, there is a nominal charge for that. That is 1-to-1 complete mentorship will be available. You can talk to me, you can text me any number of time whenever you want until you get into the college, because it is all about your career. There can't be a one PDF of choice filling that will be your counseling. There should be a complete discussion. Everything should be balanced, because you will get the best college with best possible branch. That's what I can assure you. If you want, you can contact me. So this was about my counseling and mentorship guidance. Hope you will provide me the responsibility to provide you the best college with best possible branch. So hope you have checked the detail about my guidance. So now let's continue. That is for board marks cutoff. It is very important information for those students who are applying through board only, or if you are applying for both the mode, then also it is important because you have applied the board marks as well. So for COE outside Punjab, 95 marks, that is 95%, and for Punjab it is 92, that is 95 for outside Punjab, and for home state it is Punjab, 92 for general category. For SC 82, that is outside Punjab. For ST it is 63, that is SC 82 and ST 63. For BC 81 for Punjab only. After slash it is for Punjab, and before slash it is for outside Punjab. For COBS 96.5 and 94, that is for general. SC 90, ST 80 and 63, BC 89. For COPC, that is Patiala campus 98.5, 96.7. What are the cutoff I am providing you? This will be 100% accurate. You can check my video for other entrance exam also. It is 100% accurate. This channel is known for its correct prediction every year, and based on the current year trend. You can't go just like previous year. If you go with the convention, you will not get the best out of your rank, because you will feel the wrong choices. So I will guide you for that once you register with my guidance. That's why I'm providing you the information here, so that you will not do any mistake. So for SC 94 and 86, and ST 88 and 86, and BC 95, that is for only Punjab. And for COSC 96 and 92.5 for general, SC 90 and 67, ST 79 and BC 88. For EC 94 and 86 for general, for SC 96 and 66, for ST 67, and for BC 71. Actually for SC ST, for Punjab domicile, there is only one type of cutoff, and for outside Punjab there is separate cutoff. That's why I am providing you that. And for BC only Punjab reservation is available. For outside Punjab there is no BC category reservation available. Now if you talk about for ECE 94, 86, 76, 66, 67 and 71, that is for all categories respectively. Sidewise you can check the detail as well. For EEC 94.2, 88, and for other category you can check sidewise. For ENC 94.1, 88, BME, that is biomedical 80 and 68, biotechnology 83 and 68, chemical 83.1, 68, CIE 83 and 68, EIC 92 and 85, ELE 91 and 84, and mechatronics 89 and 68, mechanical 88 and 68. So this was the complete information. Sidewise you can check that second column is for SC category, and for third column is for ST, and fourth is for BC. So this was all about the complete information regarding the expected cutoff for Thapar University up to the last round this year. So please try to do your counseling very carefully, and for that I will be guiding you. Just you need to contact me through the number available on the screen, or in the Instagram also you can check in the description. Everything is mentioned. So thanks again for watching this video. Please try to subscribe. Thank you.